let me show you how you can use a power bank function on the F9-5 earbuds basically. So inside the case, actually, if you didn't know, we have a 2000 milliamp hour internal battery, so it has quite huge battery. And actually we can charge other device from this case as well. So if you open this front flap, you'll see this like USB port. So this small one as a like micro USB is used to charge them basically. So but if you want to, for example, charge another device, you simply have to plug in this large like USB port. So if you have micro USB port, you can simply plug this in and charge another device. So also, for example, we can literally charge iPhone as well with this. If you get iPhone charger, you see, if I plugged in, as you see, my phone actually starts to charge, and yeah, we can actually start to charge. And also you will see your like remaining capacity of that like power bank basically here. As you see, it's dropping. Yeah, so as it's charging. By the way, I do not think it can actually like transfer those 2000 milliamp hours. So I think the real capacity it can transfer to other devices around 1000 milliamp hours, because when we transfer basically from one battery to another and charge that other device, there are a lot of losses basically. So when you convert basically the energy, so I think in real world you can expect like 1000 milliamp hour like charging output from this case. Also again, we can charge like pretty much any device, so even like Android phones as well, we can charge with this thing. For example, as you see, it's starting to charge. Also, I can use it to charge my watch as well. For example, if I simply plug in the charger here as well. So these yeah, earphones are actually like really nice. And yeah, the power bank function is absolutely great on them. Anyway, good luck.